Yeah, I heard about it, about Rihanna. Rihanna, the singer in the United States, and Greta Thunberg, and Mia Khalifa, and also Meena Harris. And there are many more going to join this gang of people who want to tweet, who want to express their views on a Twitter. Well, it's welcome because personally I like a lot of people expressing their solidarity with the people who are vulnerable in the world, the solidarity with the gullible and the helpless people in the world, worldwide. So you must also show the same sentiment to everybody, to all the world, in China, where there are human rights violation, in Pakistan. So you must also give tweets. Why are you only against Bharatiya Janata Party of India? I mean, Indian people, we have seen democracy for the last 70 years, 7-0. And that has not uplifted our country and our citizens the way it has done in the last few years, like right from 2014. India is upbeat. We got better infrastructure, better employment opportunities, better manufacture, better governance and administration. If not, come and live here for some time. And we have better rules for the farming community. We know what is farmer, what is brokerage, what is the middleman, what is the market. We know it. We have done immense studies on it, unlike you. So there is a conspiracy going on to destabilize the progress of India under the Bharatiya Janata Party. It's not a jealousy, and many people just want to break down our ideology, our worship patterns also. Well, these are eyesores for many people, many conspirators around the world. Why are they not giving opinions about human rights violations in other parts of the world? We know to take care of our farmers. This Bharatiya Janata Party has come into governance and administrations only in the last about 6 years. And that's all, out of 70 years of governance by other opposition parties. And you are hand in glove with them to defeat the Bharatiya Janata Party. I welcome all your opinions because I also like to be a global citizen. And you have the right, and really you have the support and welcome from me to give your opinions. So make it known. But that Greta Thunberg has been ranting that I dare you, that small little girl who is 18 years old. I dare you again and again and again. That is her only credibility. Have you heard that? Well, let me give a challenge. Please read the clause. Please read the articles and the act and the rules and regulations that we are planning for the farmers of India. And then tell me what amendment is irritating you. What is that you want to be amended? What is annoying you? Be specific. Be accurate. Speak about that one line, that particular line that is of not in accordance with the favor for farmers. And then, what is your opinion? Can you plant your opinion in Pakistan, in China, and other parts of the world? Why are you only against the Bharatiya Janata Party of India? And so, same thing with Rihanna. Meena Harris, just that your aunt is in a powerful position, and you're a lawyer. You should study the law, what we have written down in Bharatiya Janata Party. Find out. Go accurate, go specific, go particular. If you have the bandwidth of the brain, not just piggyback right on your aunt's fame. And Rihanna, you're a good singer maybe. And not that I've not heard any of your song, but you can be bought, you can be purchased. Has somebody paid you some money? Do you really know the farmers of Tamil Nadu, the farmers of Maharashtra, the farmers of all the states of India? Come and do a study. And Mia Khalifa, it's good that you're also interested in the world. There are other things in the world than that what you do. So I welcome all of you to do a research, a study, and I welcome all your views and opinion. I don't consider them as arrogance because you're all ignorant and perhaps not as educated on the farmers of India. We know how to take care of our vulnerable people. Indian Bharatiya Janata Party cares and give attention to the disenfranchised who are disenfranchised because of the 7 decades of the tyranny of the other opposition parties of India. So there are many conspirators. This is no more about solidarity to the farmers. This is certainly a political pitch. This is certainly a pitch to kill an existing ideology of India. No doubt about it. So understand the conspiracy, understand the conspirators, and we welcome your protests. Know how you can get irritated because we are progressive, and we'll continue to progress. And keep posting your ignorant tweets.